Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Hope you are fine and you are completing your task as your routine. Today we are starting our exercise 2B from question number 7, and we have done till question number 6 in our previous lecture, and today we are starting from question number 7, that is find the LCM of the following using division method. Okay, what is LCM? LCM is known as least common factor. LCM is our least common factor, and if you have to find the least common factor of the following using division method, so I am solving this question for you. Part B, 14, 15, 21 and 28. What we have to do, see on which table these all numbers are divisible. Starting from the smallest table, 2 sevens are 14, 21 is odd number, it is not divisible by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Clear? Now see, this table can divide the numbers. All these numbers are odd except this one, so we will divide them by an odd number. So do the even first. 7 will remain over here, 15 will also remain over here, 21 will remain over here, and 2 sevens are 14. Now see, 3 7 is here, 3 fives are 15, 3 sevens are 21, and 7 is here. Now come to the 5. 5 will divide only this 5, 5 ones are 5. The other two terms will come down as they are. Now divide all these terms by 7. 7 ones are 7. This one will come down. 7 ones are 7 and 7 ones are 7. Is this clear to you? Okay. Now how to find the LCM? Two multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 5, multiply by 7. 2 multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 5, multiply by 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, and 67s are 420. Clear? After writing the for LCM, you have to write all these numbers, and then we have to divide them on the first table. You can divide them on the table through which they can or could be divided. If not, then no problem. You can start from 2. 2 sevens are 14, 2 14s are 28. Then again by 2, 7 will not be divided, 15 will remain the same, and 21 will also come as it is. So 2 sevens are 14. Now come for the 3. 3 5s are 15 because 3 can divide only these two numbers. 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 7, and this 7 will remain the same and will come down. Now see which table can divide the number. So we will divide from the smallest number, small number, started from smallest number, smallest, smaller, and small. Now come for the 5. 5 ones are 5, and the other two numbers will come down as they are. Now see the 7. 7 ones are 7. This one will come down as it is. 7 ones are 7 and 7 ones are 7. Now the LCM is 420 after multiplying all the dividends. After practicing this question, you are able to solve all these questions, and after solving all these questions, you are able to solve the question number 1, 2, and 3, which we left for solving them at the end. Fill in the blanks. HCF of 7 and 11 is, you have to tell the common factor of HCF of 7 and 11. Now you have to tell the LCM is always dash, then HCF obviously it's greater. So you have to tell solve all these objectives after reading them very carefully. Some of them you have to solve them. And after doing these questions, come for the word problem. See, I'll just give you a single one hint and you have to solve them your own. There are some pieces of wood 18 meter, 30 meter and 12 meter long. The carpenter wants to cut them into equal sizes. What size should he cut them to avoid the wastage of wood? If a carpenter wants to, he has few pieces of wood and their lengths are different, and he wanted to cut them into equal size. So what should he do? Think, what should he do to cut them in equal size? How can you cut all these pieces in equal size? Yeah, you have to take the HCF. When you take the HCF, it will give you the common factor. After taking the common factor, you can cut all these pieces of wood into equal size. You have to take the HCF of this question. For question number 2, Sarah does the washing every 9 days. Ariba does her washing every 12 days. And Neha does her washing every 6 days. If they all do the washing today, after how many days they will do the washing together again? Together, it means you have to take them all and you have to take the least common factor combined. So you have to take the LCM from this question. Aisha has 3 pieces of cloth. One is 70 meters. If you want to take the common thing, so you have to take the HCF. If you want to take the combined thing, so you have to take the LCM. Aisha has 3 pieces of cloth. One is 70 centimeter wide and the other is 84 centimeter wide and 98 centimeter, third one. She wants to cut into equal strips, so as wide as possible. How wide should she cut the strip? So what should she do? She have to take the HCF first to know that which length could be, which width could be taken. Clear? After solving this question, we have covered our top chapter 2. Next time, inshallah, we will start our next chapter. So you have to practice all these questions.